Preface: this tutorial is for people that have already watched my how to mine Verus like a pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from 3.8 or 3.8.3 to 3.8.3-3 to dramatically increase your hash rate. And it is 2 a.m. right now, and I've already set up all my phones, but I am going to try to get this video edited, and it will be out tomorrow. Oh, it's a grind out here. But yeah, let's start with the tutorial. Okay, first we're gonna go to the QR code, and I like to do this method because it's easier, and it has the code right there. And here's the QR that we are using, and at the end of this QR code, I added in some extra code, so your miner will just start. But first, you're gonna go to your sessions, and you're gonna go stop session, and then you're gonna go delete, and then you're gonna go back in to Ubuntu. Yeah, we're gonna go back to Ubuntu. Yeah, and then you're gonna paste that in, and you're gonna let that go, and it's gonna take a while. Depends on you know, what version of Ubuntu you have. It could be a long update. But yeah. Let's just keep this going, bud. Nice. Okay, so now we are hashing. And that is what we're looking for. It's nice because with the command line it gave you, it just hashes right away. And your nano config file stays in, even if you use my code. And yo, here are some clips of me putting everything together. It took me 2 hours, and I'm going to condense it down to like a few minutes. So be ready. I just wanted to say this was my hash rate right before I updated. And like, look at that jump. Like, that is massive. I think I've gained about like, I don't know. I was sitting at like 360, and like now I'm sitting at like 420, and it's freaking awesome. So I highly recommend doing this. I advise you though to watch my how to mine Verus like a pro first, and then we'll then go to this one. Yeah, I just wanted to show like some up and close like truth. Like, look at me, I'm like almost fucking 500 fucking mega hash. That's fucking insane. Like, my road to 1 giga hash is like so close now. I'm halfway there. I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I was actually so excited to do this that it is now 3 a.m. and I am still editing this video, and I'm gonna try to get it out by the morning. So let's get this Verus. Oh yeah, and more exciting news. My 3 cat phones came in. So my future video is just around the corner here, and I'm just testing it out. Just gonna let it run all night and see how she goes. But I'm pretty excited for that one. Stay tuned. Like, honestly, it's gonna be a big one. So yeah, that was how you set up 3.8.3-3, and a little showcase of me doing it. It took me about 2 hours, and that's why it's 2 a.m. right now. So, yeah. All my affiliate links are down below for all the items I commonly buy. Like, I seriously buy these items all the time, and I stand by them. So, they're down below. You can follow me on Twitter. And, yeah. And thanks. Leaving a like and a comment really helps. And, yeah, bye.